that is the red list flipping book.
So now many species are under extinction, and we think that it's important to increase the awareness of people about conservation of animals. So we create living books. It's an interactive book which containing the list of nearly extinction animals, and we can touch it, we can flip in it like a real book. Another features. Let's imagine tourists go to Ho Chi Minh City and he wants to know about many famous lakes in Ho Chi Minh City. For example, how those lakes look like in the past, and how could he learn about that? So we propose a new way. Using the Microsoft technology, the Bing Map, we create an interactive map with augmented information. So inspired by a tourist guidebook, the tourist can use the map and he can learn many things, many places from the map just by touching on it. I think it's a very interesting and effective way to advertise our city to the tourists.
What is new in our system? We have developed a system that is capable of interacting with Kinect by our own proposed algorithms. Our system is mobile and portable, and the most important thing is that we have designed a smart user interface that is the video tracking. We think that it's going to be a new trend for user interface design in the future. The social impacts that we have created is that our system stimulates the enthusiasm to learn and to explore new things. Our science museum can increase awareness of conservation of animals. I think it is interesting methods for learning natural phenomena and processes. The museum for young children. This is going to be a museum for young children and students in every country. A more interesting thing in our system is that it can be integrated and used with other applications. As you can see on the slide over there, we can interact with an online library. It's the Vietnamese Buddhism cultural heritage. We can explore that museum by interacting on the surface. So our system is open, and the social community can contribute and create digital contents for our system. And our dream is that the society can contribute sharing digital contents for the museum, and more people can get benefits from the system from Microsoft's technologies. Thank you for your listening.
Get the incrustation for each of the elements that we want to highlight in a video. How long does it take for you to actually process this?
Pardon, can I hear the question again?
Okay. Frank just said that if he gives to you a video, you can actually process it and check. Okay. How long does it take you to do it? For example, for a 5-minute video.
We have developed an application that can automatically convert a video, and it's gonna take 10 minutes for a 5-minute clip.
Okay, thank you.
I have one question about the contents. So since you have a great tools in place, but the enrich of the contents is important for the users. So how fast and is the media is only can be editable by the team, by the tools, or by the users? If it can be editable by the user themselves to enrich the contents established through the social network, the people can contribute. So how do you vision that?
We think that because our application is integratable, and we have developed a framework which can use with any application. The society just need to develop the application like normal using the mouse event and integrate with our framework, and it can act normal. We can interact it on the surface.
Another question on the collecting data. So privacy and security is important right now. Everyone is mobile, so mobility is first. So how you see privacy and security is taken care of by the applications? We have not considered this issue yet. Do you also have considered a go-to-market plan for the solutions?
Because the cost that we spend to make this device is not very high. If you already have a project, you will only need to buy a Kinect, which is not very expensive. And we believe that our system can be designed, can be bought under $1,000. That is consisting of the computer, the projector, and the Kinect.
This product is very interesting, having good content. What is your strategy to get the content for this product?
Pardon, can I hear again?
How are you going to get the content for the product, like the video and everything displayed?
So that is a very huge work to get the content.
How do we get?
Also related to the issue of the intellectual property protection. To make this product successfully, we have to get more content, very huge content. What is your strategy to get content?
We can ask the society, we can put it, is it an open source that people can develop application, can increase more knowledge in our library so that it can contain a lot of knowledge.
Maybe yes, to address the question from the board, I think you have to consider very carefully on your go-to-market plans. Either you go on your own, or you need expertise, or you go to the corporates or any others commercial customer. For example, for the virtual lab, if you go so you develop just a solution and product, and then you put it on the store, for example, Windows Store, mobile store, anything, so that they can download the app. So they are the one, for example, a museum, historic museum, they are the one who own the contents. They create the content. They just leverage your tools, and they can develop. Maybe they sell the idea to the city, so like city of Da Nang or any other modern city, so they can interact with the e-citizens, with tourists. So consider carefully on the go-to-market plan, whether you do it on your own or you partnering with other experts.
So I think that we have developed very interesting technology, but right now it's just a piece of interesting technology. You need to take into account content and so on and so forth. So if we do decide that you win, we will definitely help you. This is a very interesting technology you developed. Thank you.
Thank you. Does anyone want to use it? Try to use it.
So why don't you invite our dashboard to come here and try your
I would like to invite a judge. I would like to invite Mr. Fabendos from Nokia. 5 applications and you can choose any of them. That is called Old Saigon, and it contains images of Saigon in the old times.
Seeing things.
It's for both.
Because you can add some extra content as well. It's possible for you to add sound or music or
We can it's a clip of the Imagine Cup,
okay.
and it play the video of the Imagine Cup.
And can you do something like if the person is close to the application, then the application will open from the device it's more like that.
Is it like
Could it be done inside of the building? Could it be done inside of the building? Yeah, let's say that you go to the region of the street there. Inside, yeah. So actually,
we also have this. This is a web that has been developed by other people. So, you can go explore the video.
then you can actually get the
The information is not
So this is actually have